Bearded Science Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homopolar motor. To start with, you'll need a battery, some 22 gauge magnet wire, a small piece of sandpaper, and some rare earth magnets. You'll need to measure out a section of magnet wire, but how much really depends on your design. Then you'll need to sand off the insulated coating anywhere the wire will be making a connection with the battery. This first design, where the wire is coiled around the battery, will only make connections at the two far ends of the wire, so that's where you need to sand. Now take your battery and attach the rare earth magnets to the bottom. And now comes the really hard part. As you make the connections with the two ends of your wire, you have to bend it really carefully so that as it spins, it doesn't fall off the battery or come away from the neodymium magnets. This process can take a really long time. Just keep bending the wire a little bit and testing it out on the battery, and bending a little more and testing it again. For some designs, it might take you an hour to get it just right. And because this battery is basically running on a short circuit, it will get hot after a few minutes, so don't leave it running. There are some designs, like this square one here, that are quite a bit easier to get working. You can even put a magnet and a nut on top to hold the wire in place as it spins. My favorite one of these motors actually doesn't have the wire spinning at all. What you do is you connect the wire to a screw that is hanging from the end of the battery. As you complete the circuit with the rare earth magnets, the screw begins to spin faster and faster. It can even get up to thousands of RPMs. The reason this works is that electrons traveling through a wire create a magnetic field, and that magnetic field interacts with the magnetic field of the permanent magnet, kind of like two permanent magnets attracting each other or repelling each other. In our homopolar motor, this force is called the Lorentz Force. Thanks for watching Bearded Science Guy. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of our others on YouTube and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.